Looking to connect your ShipStation account with myship.ai? You're in the right place. This quick and easy guide will walk you through the setup so you can stay syncing orders and shipping like a pro. Let's get started. First, head over to myship.ai and log in with your eShipper credentials. Just enter your email and password, then click Login. Easy. Now, go to the Settings menu. From the drop-down, select Carrier Settings. This is where you'll add eShipper as your carrier. In the top right corner, click Add Carrier. This starts the integration process. From the list, find eShipper and click on it. A pop-up will now appear. Now, let's enter the details. Here's what you need to enter. In the carrier URL field, type the URL provided. For the API key, use your eShipper login username. In the API secret field, enter your eShipper password. The access token is not needed to install the eShipper app. Once everything's filled in correctly, click Submit. Your eShipper account is now connected, but it's inactive by default. To activate it, click the toggle switch. It should turn green, meaning your account is live and ready to use. Once you're in, navigate to Settings, then click Platform Settings from the drop-down menu. Look for the Add Platform button in the upper right corner. Go ahead and click it. From the list of platforms, select ShipStation. Enter your store name and click Submit. Now, let's hop over to ShipStation. Open a new tab and log in. Click on the Settings icon, select Account, then click API Settings. Under the API Settings tab, locate the API version dropdown. Select V1 API, not the default V2 API. Click Generate API Key. A pop-up will appear prompting you to set a key expiration duration. You can leave it as the default 12 months, then click Generate. Now you'll receive a verification email. Click the link inside to confirm your identity. Once verified, return to the API settings page. Now you'll see your API key and API secret. Copy both, we'll need them in the next step. Back to myship.ai. Click the three dots next to your store and select Edit. Paste your API key and API secret into the fields provided. Now, copy the webhook URL and click Save Changes. Back in ShipStation, go to Integration Programs. Click Connect for the webhooks option, then add a webhook. Give it a name, then paste in the webhook URL you copied earlier. Click Save, and just like that, your store is linked. Also, in MyShip, make sure that your store is turned on. In MyShip, go to Settings and select Platform Settings from the drop-down. Locate your ShipStation store, click the three dots, and choose Settings to open the configuration page. Under the Business Address tab, enter your business address to ensure accurate shipment calculations. Then, go back to Basic Settings tab and configure your default shipment preferences. Select Auto Sync to enable automatic order and product updates. Navigate to the Boxing Settings tab. Here, you'll find a list of available box sizes. Need custom box sizes? Click Add Box to add new dimensions. Fill in the blanks and click Save. Now, MyShip will automatically select the most suitable box for each order. Viewing orders. Go to the e-commerce section and click Orders to see all incoming orders. Use the store name filter to locate specific orders or manually sync them. Managing products. Click Products to view and manage your listings. When Auto Sync is enabled, product listings update automatically. Auto Sync is enabled, MyShip will automatically update orders and product listings every 60 minutes. Manual Sync. To sync manually, go to the Stores tab, select your ShipStation store, and click the synced icon in the top right corner. And that's it! Your eShipper account and ShipStation are now fully integrated with MyShip. Need more help? Reach out to us anytime. Happy shipping!